Today, we take you inside a factory where deep freezers are made. From raw metal to powerful cooling machines, every step matters.
Everything begins with precise engineering and design.
Engineers plan size, insulation, and cooling efficiency. Now production begins.
High-quality steel sheets are selected.
Sheets are cut with precision machines.
Panels are shaped to form the freezer body. Robots weld parts for strength and durability. Every joint is carefully inspected. Sharp edges are polished for safety. The body moves to the next stage.
Anti-rust coating protects the freezer.
A durable outer paint is applied. Paint is heat-cured for long life. Insulation is the heart of deep freezing. Special foam is injected inside walls. This foam traps cold air efficiently.
It prevents heat from entering.
Extra foam is removed.
Inner panels are fitted carefully.
Perfect sealing ensures zero leakage.
Door frame is aligned precisely.
Gaskets keep cold air locked inside.
Now it is ready for cooling system.
Copper pipes are prepared. Pipes are shaped into cooling coils. Evaporator absorbs heat inside freezer.
Condenser releases heat outside. The compressor is the freezer's engine.
It compresses refrigerant gas. Pipes connect the full cooling cycle.
Air and moisture are removed. Air and moisture are removed.
Refrigerant is filled carefully. Electrical system powers the unit.
Temperature control is added.
Controls are tested for accuracy.
Fans circulate cold air evenly.
Cooling system is sealed.
The freezer takes its final shape.
Now performance testing begins.
Temperature drops rapidly.
Cooling efficiency is verified. Doors are tested thousands of times.
Noise levels are measured.
Energy efficiency is checked. Only approved units move forward. Each unit is cleaned.
Branding is applied.
Protection for safe delivery.
Extra safety for transport. Packed securely.
Tracking labels attached. Ready for shipping.
Thousands shipped worldwide.
From factory to stores.
Built for power, efficiency, and trust. This is how deep freezers are made. Crafted by skilled hands and machines.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory stories.